In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wheel bolt on this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. Going into the trunk, right on this back panel, there's a couple of wing nuts. You just need to turn those to the left, and it folds up. You can see the wheel lock key is right here. And then if you need to pop off the cover, sometimes you're going to use this, and sometimes you're just going to use the straight blade screwdriver. If you're replacing the individual bolts, you can do these one at a time. Use a 17mm socket, take the bolts off, put the new bolt in, and snug it down. If you're replacing the wheel lock, you're going to want to use the key with the same 17mm socket. Take the wheel lock off. Take the new bolt. And snug that down. Then we're going to torque all the wheel bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. Now put the cap on, line it up. Lock it in place. Now you can put the screwdriver back, this pick, and then the wheel lock key. Close it up and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.